Hello, baby. Why are you not picking up my calls? You mean to tell me that you didn't even see one missed call in your phone? Who is there in the background breathing? Who is that one? Eh? Oh, okay, it's okay. Sorry for accusing. No, I'm not insecure. I just wanted to know. Anyway, baby, I just called you to ask you what you want me to cook for you today. Beef, chicken, or fish? Oh, okay, okay. It's okay. And tell that person you are with that when I catch you, I would bury her alive. I would bury her alive, I'm telling you. Darling, it's a joke, it's a joke. I'm just joking with you. I'm not insecure. Okay. Anyway, bring vegetables. Green vegetables. Yes. And come home, Are. Come home, Are. 6 o'clock, you should be here. Who is that lady there laughing in the background? Who is it? Oh, it's a pedestrian. Oh, sorry, baby, for accusing you. Please, I miss you, darling. Come back home now. Yeah, I'll be waiting.